In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automated collection in Shopify. This is a fantastic feature if you want to streamline how your products are grouped and displayed across your Shopify store. It ensures that you have the most optimized and organized presentation for your customers without having to manually adjust your listings daily. To begin, start by heading into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the main page, locate the Products option in the left-hand sidebar. This option is your gateway to managing all your merchandise, whether you've just started your store or have an extensive inventory. Clicking on Products will bring you to a page with several tabs across the top, one of which is Collections. Select Collections to move forward. Collections are groups of products that Shopify allows you to organize according to your criteria, such as products on sale, fall collection, featured items, and more. Once you're on the Collections page, direct your attention to the upper right corner where you'll see a button labeled Add Collection. Click this, and you'll be taken to a page where you can start detailing your new collection. First, click on the Title field. Here, you're going to give your collection a name that resonates with its theme or purpose. Make it something engaging and clear so it's instantly recognizable to you and your customers. Next, explore the Publishing options. Clicking on this will allow you to manage when your collection goes live, which can help you align your collection updates with marketing campaigns or sales. After publishing, move on to the Description section. Descriptions are crucial for SEO as they help potential customers find your collections via search engines. Describe what's included in this collection, the materials, the benefits, anything that would entice your target audience to click through and explore further. Next, you'll want to select the Collection type. Since we're setting up an automated collection, ensure that your selection reflects this. Automated collections use conditions based on product details such as category, brand, or price, thereby automatically updating with relevant products. Then, pay attention to the Image section. A compelling image can serve as the visual hook that draws customers into your collection. Choose one that complements the collection title and description. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words, so make sure it's as attractive as the rest of your presentation. Now, click on Products to establish the conditions or rules for what products will automatically populate in this collection. This step is key for automation, allowing Shopify to do the heavy lifting by continuously updating your collection based on these set conditions. Further, review the Theme Template option. This is where you decide how the collection will be visually presented on your store. Choose a theme that matches the style and branding of your other collections for consistency. Finally, don't forget to click Save. This action finalizes your efforts and ensures that all your settings and choices are recorded in Shopify. Your automated collection is now ready, and you can watch as new qualifying products populate the collection all by themselves, keeping your store fresh and engaging with minimal effort.